Let me guess, you built a raised bed thinking gardening would suddenly become easy. Maybe you pictured baskets of perfect veggies, all thanks to those neat wooden frames, neat borders, loose soil, no more guessing about what's happening underground. It feels like you finally got control over your garden space. But then, the plants flop, the soil shrinks, and you're left wondering if you just have a black thumb. It's frustrating when your hard work doesn't pay off the way you hoped. Don't give up yet. Most raised beds fail for the same 3 simple reasons, and they're all fixable. You just need to know what to look for and how to make a few key changes. Here's mistake number 1. Filling your bed with the wrong stuff. It's easy to assume any bagged mix will do the trick, but that's rarely the case. Those bags labeled raised bed mix at the store, they look convenient, but there's more to the story. Most of them are light, fluffy, and almost sterile. They're designed to look perfect on the shelf, but they don't offer much for your plants. On their own, they dry out fast, shrink down, and offer almost nothing to soil life. Your plants end up struggling for nutrients and moisture. A healthy raised bed needs a real foundation. Think of it as building a home for your plants, not just a container. Mix actual soil, yep, plain old dirt, with finished compost. This combination brings structure, nutrients, and life to your bed. Compost feeds the microbes, mineral soil gives roots something to grip. Together they create a thriving underground world. If your bed keeps sinking or plants never seem sturdy, your mix is starving the biology. The soil needs to be alive, not just look good. Each season, top off with a couple inches of compost and protect it with a living mulch layer. This keeps your soil healthy and productive year after year. That's how you rebuild life from the ground up. It's the secret to long-term success in any raised bed. Mistake number 2, watering too fast from above. It's a common habit, but it can sabotage your efforts. Raised beds drain quickly. That's good. But they also dry unevenly. Some spots stay wet while others become parched. If you blast the top with a hose, only the surface gets wet, while lower soil stays bone dry. Your plant's roots never reach deep enough. Roots will hover near the top and your plants will always look thirsty. Shallow roots mean weak, stressed plants. So, slow it down. Give the water time to soak in, reaching all the way to the bottom. Use a gentle shower, a watering can or a drip line, and let the water sink in deep. Consistent, deep watering is key. Deep moisture means deep roots, and deep roots mean healthier plants and beds that hold together. Your garden will be more resilient to heat and drought. And mistake number 3, bare soil. This is one of the most overlooked problems in raised bed gardening. Naked soil loses water and life faster than you'd think. It's like leaving your garden unprotected. The sun bakes it, wind strips it, and soon it's just dry potting mix. All the hard work you put in can disappear in days. All those microbes and worms you want, they disappear. The soil becomes lifeless, and your plants suffer. So, always keep it covered. Mulch is your garden's best friend. A thin layer of shredded leaves, straw, or fine compost locks in moisture, stabilizes temperature, and feeds your soil community. It's a simple step with huge benefits. With a mulch layer, your raised bed turns into its own mini ecosystem. Life returns, and your plants will thank you. Remember, real soil, slow water, and a covered surface. These 3 basics are the foundation of every successful raised bed. That's all it takes to make your raised bed thrive. With a little attention, you'll see the difference in every harvest. No more struggling, just healthy, living soil doing what nature intended. Your garden will become a place of abundance and joy. If this helped you look at raised beds in a new way, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tips to decode the dirt and unlock the secrets beneath your plants.